My name's Juliana. This is my mom, Gina. Today we're showing you the how to pack the Itzy Ritzy backpack my mom wrote on Facebook.
Juliana's right. We're here to pack this Ritzy Mini Boss for you. We've been using it all weekend and we love it. So we're going to give you some of the features here right now. So this front pocket is where we keep our favorite toy ever, which if you have children who are learning to write, you need one of these. This is a boogie board jot and it fits perfectly right in the front. We're actually probably going to do a video about just this because we love it so much and we're not affiliated with them in any way. We just love the boogie board jot. So put it on your Christmas list, moms. Now, when you open it up, we have the inside of the bag is packed. We decided that this front pocket is going to be for snacks, and it was awesome to have some organic pretzels in the front pouch, and we actually ate the rest of the snacks, but it was perfect for some Lara bars and some fig bars to keep our family eating healthy snacks while we were out shopping this weekend. In the side pocket, I keep a really slim wallet. I really like this kind of slim wallet. It works for me. It's quick and easy to grab, and all my cards are right there, and it has that RFID protection. This is my mom needs bag. It is a Fossil bag. It comes in a trio, and I have the other one right here, which is where we keep Juliana's favorite things and her emergencies. She is 5, so we don't have a lot of things in here, but everything that we need for a day out pretty much fits in there for her. And then back here I have my custom Happy Hippo OG Uni planner, and it has my day planner in there, and then there's a little zipper pouch here. It's totally awesome. If you need some customs, check out Happy Hippo on Facebook. She's amazing. I also am a big deal and coupon shopper, so I have my coupon envelope in the back, as well as my tissues and a tiny Fossil card thing for gift cards and store reward cards. And I have a set of keys down in there. And then in this far left pouch on the side is my sunglasses. It isn't felt lined, but these aren't my favorite sunglasses, and I don't buy fancy sunglasses because I'm a mom and I lose them. So that works perfect for me. And my favorite part that I didn't mention last time is this awesome change pad pocket. I don't like receipts floating around my bag, so I stuck the receipts in the back, and I also keep my phone in there. So that is the Itzy Ritzy Mini Boss, but I also wanted to show you next to a JuJuBe MiniBe 2.0. Here we go. It's the JuJuBe MiniBe, and I'm just going to shove all of these items into the MiniBe so you can see.
And then you put it back in.
There was a bunch of space left in my Mini Boss, but you can see about how it would fit into the MiniBe in comparison. Juliana, can you stick your toy in here, please?
No.
You could put it in the front pocket. Let's just show our friends how it works. Okay. So there is everything in the MiniBe, and you can see there's still a little bit of room left here too.
Mama,
so we don't carry a lot of stuff.
Mama, where's my dollar?
Your lost dollar is in here. I tossed it in the bag when we were. So we don't carry a lot. Again, she's 5. We do like to carry a lot of food with us because we have special eating needs. But here is the JuJuBe MiniBe packed up next to the Mini Boss. I'm going to show you them side by side. It looks like they are approximately, let's see, the same height. The Mini Boss is a little larger, but if we turn it on its side, you can see that the JuJuBe MiniBe is a uniform thickness throughout here, where the Mini Boss is tapered, so it's a little bit larger on the bottom. I love this bag. We have been using it just this weekend, and I've gotten lots of compliments out in public. I took it to Thanksgiving, and my sister-in-law wanted one right away, so highly recommended. This is the Ritzy Mini Boss in gray with gold hardware, packed for a mom and a 5-year-old all day out shopping. And it's even husband approved. My husband did put it on. He is 6'2" and big and strong, and it was able to go over his shoulders and rest comfortably. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave us questions in the comments. I'm happy to show you if you'd like to see it full of other specific items. We've had fun sharing our bag with you, and we hope to see you again soon.